Okay, so Shrink Analyzer builds on top of Smart Exits to have a layer of intelligence on the data gathering that Smart Exits actually provide. Smart Exits gather the data and kind of do this triage to only have the useful data. And then Shrink Analyzer goes through the useful data to build insights and to create visualizations that actually provide global view of what shrink actually is, where and how it's happening. Users can also get into the portal and then reassess if that event is actually shrink or not shrink. And with those interactions, the Shrink Analyzer platform will also learn from those to have even better and more insightful outputs of the data. That's how and why Shrink Analyzer is such an important tool, not to replace other loss prevention or package building software out there, but to enhance those to even have more solid proof, more hard data, more intelligence on top of what the investigators already did today.